Hello everyone, I'm talking about the attorney. In fact and definition, types and powers and duties. What is an attorney in fact? An attorney in fact, also called an agent, is the person who is authorized to act on behalf of the another persons, known as the principal, typically to perform business and other official transactions. The principal uses this designated someone as an attorney in fact by assigning them power of attorney. Also, a court might choose to assign it if the person being represented is captivated. The rules regulating powers of attorney vary from state to state. An attorney in fact is not necessarily a lawyer. Indeed, attorney in fact does not require any special qualifications at all. They can be made a family members or close friends. Power of attorney may also be granted to more than one person. In such a case, it should be stated whether simple majority or unanimity is required for an action to be taken. Key takeaways: an attorney in fact is someone who is designated to act on behalf of the person, whether in business, financial, or personal matters. An attorney in fact is designated toward the granting of power of attorney, usually by the person who will be represented. An attorney in fact need to not be attorney at law, which is another name of lawyer. The former makes decisions for principal while the latter advises and represents the client but is not involved in decision making. The person appointing the attorney in fact is called the principal. And attorney in fact is sometimes referred to as agents. Sometimes the court has assigned an individual power of attorney for another person if they have become incapacitated. Attorney in fact and power of attorney. An attorney in fact is a person who has been legally appointed to act on behalf of the person in a legal person's matter. The person appointing the attorney in fact is called a principal, and attorney in fact is sometimes referred to agents. An attorney in fact is usually appointed to a legal document in power of attorney. POA, that this document gives the attorney in fact the authority to make decisions and take actions on behalf of the person in a variety of legal and financial matters. For example, an attorney in fact might be given the power to sign documents, manage payments, accounts, or sell property on behalf of the person. The attorney in fact is not required to be an actual lawyer, but they must act in the best interest of the principal and follow any instructions or guidelines set forth in the power of attorney. The attorney in fact is also required to keep the principal affairs confidential and to keep records of all actions taken on behalf of the principal. It's important to note that an attorney, in fact, it is not same as lawyer or attorney. A lawyer is the professional who is licensed to practice law, while an attorney, in fact, is simply a person who has been given authority to act on behalf of the another person. Important attorneys are trained in the legal system are responsible for representing clients in legal matters, such as in court and negotiations with other parties. Attorneys are also responsible for giving legal advice and guidance to their